Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the right. Next we can do about factorization. So first we see that s square we can do about factorization. This one by number one. Next we can do another factorization by y to the power of 3 minus y. Next this one we change by dy over dx. Next ds I will put on the right, this one I will put on the left. Next we can put the integration for the both sides. Now we need to concentrate on this one. So we can do about factorization by y. We know that this one that is about a square minus b square. And we can put a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So this one we need to transform into this one. Next we can use about partial fractions. So I will put 8 over y, b over y minus 1, c over y plus 1. Now we can do about common denominator. About this one, it is missing about y minus 1, y plus 1. So capital 8 multiplied by y minus 1, y plus 1. About this one, it is missing about y and y plus 1. About this one, it is missing about y and y minus 1. Next, we need to expand this one. This one we have y squared plus y. This one we have y squared minus y. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of y about y squared. We have 8b c because a multiplied by y squared, b multiplied by y squared, c multiplied by y squared. So we have a plus b plus c. About y, we have positive with b, negative with c, we have b minus c. About the numbers, we have negative number 1 with 8, we have negative 8. Now we need to compare coefficients. We can see that next to dy that is about number 1. So negative 8 equals to number 1. We don't have y squared and y. So this one and this one equals to number 0. And now we need to create the system of equations. Now we can find the solutions of ABC. And here is the answer of ABC. So we put ABC goal here. And now we have like this. So 8 equals to negative number 1, B equals to 1 over 2, C equals to 1 over 2. And now we have the final answer. Now we need to go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of s, where we have s to the power of 3 over 3. Number 1, that is about s, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.